Hi everyone, this is Amy the Potter and I'm making garlic grating dishes. I'm using a square bat system because they're just very efficient with storage. Got 3/4 pounds of clay. I've got my pointer set, so they're going to be 7 inches in diameter when I throw them, about 6 or so when they are finished. Just regular, drop your hole, open it out. I leave it a little bit of thickness here. Compress the bottom a couple times. I like to go into the middle when I compress. Okay, then I've got a toothed rib. I'm gonna just go straight down and straight back out with this. Make sure I get the middle. Start in the middle, roll it out, and then just lift it straight out. So the ridges are very nice and clean. Now I don't want to touch that anymore. I'm gonna get the clay off the bottom, throw my bowl shape. I like to throw it straight to the pointer. I leave a rim on mine just because that's how I decorate my pots, these pots. I'm gonna get the water out of the bottom, not touching the ridges. I use a footer tool, which people have been asking about this. It's just a kitchen knife. I used a bench grinder, to cut it and make that little template for my feet. And let's just go straight in there and out. Now I finished the curve. And then I use a rib to clean up any slit that's sticking to the pot. That was a nice finished feel without touching those ridges. Broccoli rubber band for the rim. This is my chamois. Some people use a chamois. I like this. And then I cut them off right away. Keep it nice and tight. And I will remove that. So that's it, garlic grating bowl. They've got a low profile. You don't want to make these too big because you don't want to make too much oil, garlic oil at once usually. For dipping, this is a nice amount. When it shrinks, it'll be a little bit less, obviously. You don't want to use too much more than 1/4 cup of oil in any sitting. Have fun in the studio.